Hey YouTube, Wheelie Man here. Want to give a quick review on the LED spars that are available for the 987.1 Cayman S and Cayman base. Yeah, check these out, man. I purchased these online from their LED spars, and they're a single piece design, and they include the grill vent as well as the LED strip. So this is a direct replacement for the 987.1 Cayman fog light units, and they're really easy to install. It probably took about maybe an hour total from beginning to end. Secured in with little zip ties right here, so I think I've got just a couple of holding mine in, but there's one here. You can barely see it. If you zoom out, it becomes harder and harder to see. So yeah, they're really bright. They're great. I have them wired up so they are always on function. So let me show you what that looks like. So as you can see, this is the always on function. So whenever the lights themselves are off, even though the vehicle's on and running, the LED spars are always on. This is what they look like. Now these are very bright. I'm not sure if it's coming through in the video, but it's actually lighting up the floor pretty good on this area. And the further out we get, you can really see how they just really pop off the car itself. And this is how they look matched with the factory bi-xenon headlamps for the Porsche Cayman. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely pick up a pair. I'll leave a link to the item in the description below. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notifications icon to see more videos. See you next time, everyone.